So this is ankle inversion closed gimme tape. So first you're going to apply a heel lace pad on top of the foot and behind the Achilles, and then you're going to apply your pre-wrap. So you're going to ask your athlete to dorsiflex their foot. So you're going to apply 3 anchor strips on the top. And then the first piece has to go on top of the skin. And then you want to overlap your anchors by half. Your next anchor is going to be on top of the base of the 5th metacarpal. And then you want to splay the bottom of the foot. And then next, you're going to apply your stirrups. They're going to divide the medial malleolus in thirds. So first one is going to go on the middle. The next one is going to go from the anterior part to the posterior. And then the last one is going to go from posterior to anterior. And then you're going to apply your heel locks. Then you go from the top. You're going to go under the Achilles, and then they're going to come around and lock the calcaneus. You're going to apply 2 of these. If the first one is good, you can lie the second one right on top of it. Next, you're going to close. And the reason for closing is to eliminate all the windows. And lastly, you're going to do a Louisiana, which is a medial and a lateral heel lock. With a figure 8.